Okay, machines. When we think of machines, what do you think of? Because I think of things like computers, smartphones, cars, big construction equipment, all kinds of crazy stuff that I have no idea how it works. But machines can be really simple. They can be as simple as a lever. They can be simple as a wheel going around and around. They can be as simple as, honestly, as simple as a ramp. These are things that help make our work easier. And I'm going to show you how to make a very small machine using the kit that we have here at the library this week. And at the library this week, waiting for you is a catapult kit. Alright, so the catapult kit waiting for you at the library contains these things. There are 10 popsicle sticks. There are 8 small ones and 2 big ones with notches in them. There is 1 spoon, 5 rubber bands, and 5 pom-poms of various sizes. And this is how you make it. First, take one of your large popsicle sticks and find the edge with notches in it. Make sure, attach the spoon to the side that doesn't have notches in it. 1 rubber band around the middle and 1 rubber band around the end without notches in it should do the trick. Next thing you are going to do is get the 8 small ones and stick them together with a rubber band. Then take the last one, prop it up a little, and shove the other large one in there with the notch end closer to it, but it's not covering the notched end. Attach the other rubber band so that it is held in place. This is your base, and this is your throwing arm. Now what you should notice is that the 2 notched ends are right there, and the notches are there to keep things stable. Get the last rubber band and tie it together around the notches. The tighter you can make it, the better. I have 4 loops, but it really depends on the rubber band that you end up with in that position. And once you've got all of that done, then you have your catapult. You'll not need anything else. This kit is complete as is. But if you want to decorate it with markers or pens or whatever, frankly. But put your name on it. I put a ladybug on mine. I put a strawberry on mine. I put a flower on mine. Great. Then you're good to go. So stick a pom-pom in there, in your spoon. Hold the base down. If you can hold the base down on both sides, great. But if you can only hold it down on one side, hold it down on... Actually, I don't know. Try holding the base down on both sides. Pull this down hard enough that it's straining, but not hard enough that you're snapping either your spoon or your popsicle stick, and let go. Poof! So, now the science question here is, what can you do to make it go farther? What can you do to make it go less far? We've got more tension here because the small popsicle sticks are so close to the other rubber band, but what happens if they are farther away? Or what happens if you only hold down one or the other end? Or what happens if you make the arm longer by having the spoon farther away from the center? So let's try another one of those. So I'm just holding it down over here, and I've got a very large pom-pom, and I am pushing it down. Okay, well, it did not go as far, but it did go much farther than I expected. So, see what you can make with this. Have fun doing science. Bye-bye.